Hi everybody, we are here today to do a recital bun in Adeline's hair. A couple things that we are going to use. We have a squirt bottle with some water. I have a brush and a comb. We have a few hair ties. These are small because her hair is very thin. They also match the color of her hair, which is pretty important. We also have some hairpins and bobby pins that we're going to be using. And then our important thing we're going to use is our donut. So these come in, this was a variety pack, so there's different sizes. They're just feel like a little sponge, very soft. We're going to use the tiniest one in her hair because her hair is super thin, not too long. So we'll be using this little one for her. Okay, we're going to get started.
Are they talking?
Are you ready? Okay. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to squirt her hair some water. Is it cold? All right, and for our recital, we have to do our part on the left side of Adeline's head. So that's where the line is going to go. For us to remember that easily, we like to say part over the heart. So her heart is on the left side, come straight up, and that's where we're going to draw the line. I'm just going to pull the hair back. I'm going to kind of line it up with her ears. So right in the back of her head, right behind her ears. A little bit more water. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're going to line it up right behind her ears for her ponytail. I'm going to use my comb to make sure it's nice and smooth. Can you look at yourself in here? Thank you. Okay. There we go. Nice smooth ponytail. We're going to use a little hair tie. Ponytail's right in the middle of the back of her head, right behind her ears, and her part is up here on the left side. Then we're going to take our donut, and our donut is going to go right over the ponytail. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to have her look down at her belly button. Can you look down at your belly button? Even more. There you go. Now you're just going to spread this out. You can use a comb if you want. You don't have to, but you want to spread, keep looking up. You want to spread it out so that it completely covers the donut. We don't want to see it that. And this is why we're using a small one with her thin hair. If I use a thicker one, I'm not going to be able to cover the whole donut. Then I'm just going to take my hair tie, I'm going to stretch it out one time, because we're using a little one, and we're just going to put it over like that. Okay, now you can sit up. Good. So now we have this little donut here. And for the extra hair, I'm going to take it and wrap it around. And we're going to use some bobby pins to pin it in. So sometimes if you want, if there's a lot of little flyaways, you can kind of do a little twist around, and that might help the hair stay. Just do a little twisty. And then I'm going to use my bobby pins or hair pins to make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Especially when they're dancing, we don't want any buns flying out while we're dancing. All nice and snug in there. These bobby pins are a little big for her head, but they do have smaller ones for those tiny buns. And then we're just going to finish off with a little bit of hairspray. All right, ready? Close your eyes. There we go. You want to make sure it's nice and smooth. All the flyaways are down. There There we go. And now you can open your eyes. Okay. And can you turn around and look? There we go. And there is our recital bun. Can you look at yourself in the mirror again? So we can see the back. There we go. And for us, we also have to put a hair piece on the right side of her bun. We don't have a hair piece down here right now, but that would go right here. Part on the left, hair piece on the right. All right, look at them, say thanks for watching.